So what's up people, welcome to the new video and this tutorial on Hashicorp Vault and why you should use it for secrets management. So if you are not familiar with Hashicorp Vault, it's a tool for managing secrets and sensitive data in your infrastructure. But what exactly does that mean and why you should use it? So first let's talk about what are secrets. So secrets can be a sensitive data that you need to store securely. So this can include passwords, API keys, certifications and other confidential information. So the problem is that storing secrets in plain text or your code in configuration files can be dangerous as it makes them vulnerable to security breaches. So this is where HashiCorp Vault comes in. Vault provides a secure and centralized way to store, manage, and control your access to secrets. So, with Vault, you can store your secrets and encrypt it in a central repository and control access to them using policies and other access controls. So, this makes it much easier to manage and rotate secrets as well as track who can access to them. So another benefit of using Vault for secret management is that it provides a number of different secret engines which allows you to store and manage secrets for different systems and applications. For example, Vault has secret engines for database, cloud providers, and Kubernetes such as AWS, Google Cloud, MySQL, key value pairs, and Kubernetes. So this means that you can use Vault as a single source of truth for all your secrets no matter what technologies you are using. So thanks for tuning into my channel. I hope you found the content valuable. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest videos. Thanks again and I will see you in the next video.